Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the block stitch. So this stitch is also known as the floating block stitch because it makes it look like blocks are floating above each other as you go up the rows. So to start this stitch, you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 5, plus 3, plus 1 for your turning chain. Okay, so to start the block stitch, in the third chain from my hook, I'm going to make a double crochet. So my turning chain does not count as a stitch, and this double crochet is the first stitch of the row. So then I'm going to chain 1, skip the next stitch and make a double crochet in the next, and then make a double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches as well. So you'll end up with a block of 4 double crochet after the skip stitch. Okay, so after the 4 double crochet, chain 1, skip the next chain and then make a double crochet in each of the next 4 chains. So the repeat for row 1 is you make a double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches, chain 1, skip the next stitch and then repeat. So there's my block of 4 double crochet, chain 1, skip the next chain, and then in the next chain I'm going to make a double crochet and a double crochet in each of the next stitches after that. So you're always going to have a block of 4 stitches after your skip stitch, and you're going to repeat that all the way until the end of the row and you have 2 chains left. Just grab some more yarn. So 3 and 4. So that leaves me 2 chains left. Then I'm going to chain 1, skip the next stitch and make a double crochet in the last chain of the row. So you're going to start and end the row with a skip stitch and a double crochet. Okay, so that's row 1. Row 2, we turn, chain 1, and we're going to make a single crochet in the first stitch of the row. Okay, so after that first single crochet, we're going to make a single crochet in the chain 1 space. So that double crochet that we started row 1 with, add that first block into that chain 1 space in between them, make a single crochet. And then you're going to chain 4. You're going to skip your block of 4 double crochet entirely and go straight for the next chain 1 space. And into that space, around the chain 1, you make a single crochet. So you don't work into the chain, you work around it. After you've made the single crochet, you're going to chain 4. Skip the double crochet, go straight to the next chain 1 space and make a single crochet around a chain. So you're going to end up with a series of single crochet with a chain that goes across the top of your blocks of double crochet. So you don't work into the double crochet at all for the stitch. So after the single crochet, chain 4 and skip to the next chain 1 space. And you just keep repeating that all the way across the row. 3, 4. So when you get to the last chain 1 space, going to make that single crochet and then make a single crochet in the last stitch of the row. Okay, so the first and last stitches of row 2 are the only times you work into the stitch. All the other ones are around chain spaces. Okay, so then we turn, chain 1, and onto row 3. You're going to make a double crochet turning chain in the first stitch of the row. Pop a stitch marker in there. Then chain 1. Into that chain 4 space, you're going to make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is what makes the blocks look like they're floating, because that chain gets hidden underneath the block of 4 double crochet, and it just looks like it's floating on top of the blocks from row 1. So that's where the name, the alternative name for this stitch comes from, floating blocks. After you've made your 4 double crochet, you're going to chain 1, then go to the next chain space and make another 4 double crochet all around that chain. So this is a really nice stitch for the repeats. It's really nice, easy to keep track of. So for row 3, you make 4 double crochet around the chain, chain 1, skip to the next chain, and make 4 double crochet around it. And just repeat that all the way to the end of your row. 2, 3, and 4. Chain 1, skip to the next chain space, and make 4 double crochet. So you can change colours every row for this to make a nice set of accent colours for the chain, for the single crochet in row 2, and it gives it a nice little multicolour effect. Let's try that again. But because of the row counts, you'd have to cut off for every row, so there will be a lot of ends to weave in, but it does look really good. Okay, so we get to the end of the row, and after your last set of 4 double crochet, you're going to chain 1 and then skip the single crochet here and go straight to the last stitch of the row and make a double crochet. And that's row 3. So to carry on with the block stitch, you're going to be repeating rows 2 and 3 until you have as many rows as you need. And there you have your stitch guide on how to crochet the block stitch. I would love to see what you make with this stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Ribbons and Stitch. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more crochet stitches, free crochet patterns, hints and tips as well. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time for the next video. Bye for now.